You see that sign up there? It says no trespassing.
Yes. Did you see it?
Do you have a warrant?
Do you have permission to be?
Do you have a warrant, sir?
I don't need a warrant to ask you questions.
I'm asking you to leave the property, please.
Who are you to say I should leave the property? Are you the property owner?
You know exactly who I am.
I don't know who you are. I never had any dealings with you before.
Okay, you have dealings.
No, I have never dealt with you.
I'm gonna ask you to leave the property.
Now I see with your camera, I know who you are.
Oh yeah, okay. So I'm gonna ask you to leave the property. Can I get your name and badge number again?
Yeah. There's my badge number.
Is that what you tell the judge?
Yeah, and there you go.
May I have you pronounce your name and badge number, sir?
No, you can read it right there.
Okay.
You can read it right there. Are you the property owner here,
now I'm gonna ask you to leave the property, please.
Owner? You haven't got the right to ask me to leave the property unless you're the property owner.
See that no trespassing sign? Unless you have a warrant, this is private property.
Okay,
unless you have a warrant.
Are you allowed to be on the property?
Unless you, then you figure out. Are you investigating? Then you figure it out.
Yes, because I saw smoke back here. I was concerned that it was a safety
This isn't the first time you've seen smoke. Your department hasn't seen smoke. Okay. This is more harassment.
How is it harassment?
Can I ask you? I need you to leave the property, sir.
I'm just going to record you for...
Well, is that your personal phone?
No, it's not.
Okay, because I will be forwarding that. You all seem to lose your video camera footage.
Okay. This must be your van, I guess, huh? But don't worry, I'm not going to search your van. I have no reason to go and search it.
I've asked you to leave the property unless you have a warrant, sir. You're refusing to leave the property, I see.
Well, you're not the property owner. You're not the property owner.
This officer right here has been asked several times to leave the property and has refused to leave the property.
You're not the property owner. Are you the property owner?
You have a warrant? Do you have a warrant?
I already told you no.
Okay, then you don't have jurisdiction of this property.
Yes, I do. This is
exit the property, sir. Exit the property.
I'm
going to ask you again. Exit the property.
Ask me again. Ask me one more time in play. Are you the property owner here? You haven't identified yourself as the property owner. Do you have a deed to the property? Do you have a deed to the property, sir? If you're the property owner, you have to have a deed to the property.
It's 6530 New Hampshire Avenue. It's a business, it's a building. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's a building that we're renovating. Yes, ma'am, this is Montgomery County. What I have... All right, thank you. $6530 New Hampshire Avenue. 6530 New Hampshire Avenue. That's a office building we're renovating. I'm on the back side with a Takoma Park law enforcement officer. I've asked him to exit the property and he has refused to exit the property. He doesn't have a warrant, but he's around here attempting to search and violating my civil rights. I need a Montgomery County sheriff or a Montgomery County police officer to this address. That is correct. We're in the process of a lawsuit against Takoma Park. I need a Montgomery County police officer down here. This is more harassment by this police department. Well, you please tell your supervisor that we have contacted the governor about these individuals, and this is more harassment coming from these mugs. Okay, thank you.
Virginia, Charlie 2315. It's coming back to 1984. Expire 02/2021.
Hello. Hello.
Alexander Rose Jr. House 22.
Thank you. Are you Alexander Rose Jr.?
House 23. Can you run a mail inside when you're ready? David Baker, 2540. Hold me out at 1329. Child was left in the car running to the parking lot.
This individual here has no warrant whatsoever and has been asked to leave the property that is clearly marked no trespassing. This is again more harassment and retaliation by the Takoma Park Police Department.
Directing.
You're an interesting fellow.
Car 340.
Too many units. Time back to go with your code. 2951-1.
Yeah, you transferred me over to Montgomery County and somehow I got disconnected. All right, thank you. $6530 New Hampshire Avenue, Takoma Park, Maryland. It's going to be 240-556-4231. Michael.
Bye for now.
I have a Takoma Park police officer here who is trespassing on the property and refusing to leave. This is harassment and intimidation. They just arrested me the other day and I beat their case, and now they're back again harassing me. I need a Montgomery County Sheriff officer or a Montgomery County police officer here. I do not need Takoma Park. These individuals are harassing me on my own property, and I'm getting tired of it. Well, then someone needs to oversee these individuals because they're coming onto my property, which is clearly marked. They don't have a warrant, and I've asked them to leave, and they're not leaving. Now, I've talked to the governor about this, and this is getting ridiculous now. I need someone to come and file a police report on these individuals. This is the county that I'm trying to get in touch with, ma'am, or the sheriff department. These are rogue law enforcement officers here that are doing what they want to do in a town. Now, I'm trying not to escalate this any further than what it's going, but they're not going to keep coming onto property that says no trespassing and intimidating me and harassing me. I've already talked to a captain and a lieutenant, and these are the individuals who are even the mayor. I went to court on Friday where they assaulted me and filed false charges on me in Rockville, and the judge threw the whole thing out and the state attorney threw the whole thing out. Now it's Monday, and here's a police car on my property, no warrant, ran through a gate and harassing me. And he's sitting up here laughing and thinking it's some kind of joke. Yeah, he's on the phone now talking to somebody from his office, laughing and joking. This is getting... Okay, ma'am, I'll wait.